Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Grubhub application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Grubhub application on your device, and once you open it up, you will see the search nearby as well as the sign in button. You can directly tap on search nearby to start ordering right away before even signing up or logging in. Or in order to sign up, tap on the sign in button, and then you will be asked to get started with your email address. Go ahead and type in your desired email address to sign up for your account, if you haven't done so already within the sign in page itself. Or you can also use your Facebook, your Google or your Amazon account to sign up for a new account. If you use your email address, tap on the continue button, and then you will be asked to check your inbox for verification. You can tap on the provided link or enter the code given within your inbox within the next screen and tap on continue to proceed forward with signing up to your account. You will then be allowed to create your new password. Type in your desired password and continue forward, and then you will be signed up and ready. You might need to set up your profile first, but after doing so, you will be able to use the Grubhub application immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Grubhub application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.